Hello everyone, you are on the channel Eric the Hiking. In this video, I went on a hike in Bradgate Park. This park is located northwest of Leicester. The park area is 340 hectares. The morning of the hike began with a good weather. This was very pleasing. Some information. The parking closes at 8:30 p.m. and you need to pay after the walk. This is what it's shown on the information board. Parking for the whole day cost me £4.50. There are some interesting trees in the park. Some of them are hundreds of years old. The park is also rich in water bodies, which attracts many species of wild birds. It was surprising to find herds of red deer. The ruins of Bradgate House are visible along the way. In my opinion, these are cool ruins for photo shoots. What are these ruins? Wikipedia says that the probable date of the completion of the construction 1520. There is an information about Thomas Grey, the second Marquess of Dorset, a soldier and a farmer of the House of Grey. You can also pop into the visitor center. There is also a cool cafe, the Deer Barn. I got myself a latte for £2.80. Behind the fence is the beautiful view of the Crabstone Reservoir. For those who go this way, pay attention to the traffic. On the road, cars drive very fast. I decided to stop in a quiet place. Memorial Wood. Here you can honor the memory of a special person, pet or event. If you've noticed, there are the bronze leaves hanging on the trees. On the website, you can order a bronze leaf and put an inscription of up to 30 characters, and the price of such a leaf is £275. Such a light breeze blows here. You can sit down and rest, clear your mind, relax your brain. I love places like this. A few words about the park. In some places, the landscape resembles a rocky wasteland, covered with coarse grass and ferns. I couldn't work out what is this place for. The area is strewn with stones. If you have any ideas, please share in the comments. Old John Tower. was originally a mill, but in the mid-19th century it was converted into an observation tower for a training ground. The tower is located on a hill, 212 meters high. In the background, you can see a memorial to those who died in the First and the Second World Wars. This was my hike. Here is a map and a square path. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to press the like button. This was Eric the Hiking. Bye everyone.